What's up, people of the Philippines? Hi, it's me, Shumia, and together with my teammates, we are given a chance to explore the fascinating realm of multimodal text, bridging the gap between digital and printed formats. We'll delve into memorized speech in movie scenes and touch upon critic and evaluation. But first, what is a multimodal text? Multimodal text encompasses a variety of mediums combining digital and printed elements to create a cohesive and engaging narrative. It can also involve incorporating images, videos, text, sounds to convey message or story. One of the examples of multimodal text in movie scenes is the use of memorized speeches. These are often delivered by characters and adding depth or emotion to the narrative. The speech becomes a powerful tool for communication, connecting the audience to the character thoughts and feelings. Critique and evaluation of multimodal text can vary depending on the intended audience or purpose of the text. As we leave our skills, come and join us ride this roller coaster thrill and discover the magic of multimodal world.
This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago.
George, halika na! Magkakasakit ka din, tumungin na tayo!
Diyan ka lang! Diyan ka lang!
George! George, magkakasakit ka eh! George!
Puti! Ayun ka na naman eh! Palibasa kasi alam mo kung paano po yun eh. Isang ngiti, isang kanta, isang hakap, isang sorry. Wala! Umikot na naman yung mundo ko. Puti, primo! Matalino akong tao eh. Pero pagdating sa'yo, ewan ko, natatanga ako. Ako na naman yung kapal pag binalikan na naman kita. Titigil na naman yung mundo ko para sa'yo. Ilang taon na naman ng buhay ko yung sasayangin ko. Putik! Alam mo ba si Miko? Ayun, magiging doktor na. Si Jessica? Happy naman. Ako. Eto. Sinusubukan pa rin bumangon para bawiin ang lahat ng nawala sa akin. Nung iniwan mo ko. Wait.
Sorry.
What makes it different from all your other responsibilities? Alas, pitong taon ng buhay ko binigay sa Pilipinas. At sa pitong taon na yun, isang beses lang ako nagsabi, pagod na ako. Isang beses lang ako nagtanong kung kaya ko pa ba. Isang beses lang ako nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob para sabihin kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Nasasaktan na ako. Nauubos na ako. Isang beses na napakaraming beses na pwede ako sumukot, pero hindi ko ginawa. Ay, isang beses ko kang binigyan naman. Bakit ko para umalis? Hindi na bubili. needed you to fight for us that time. Because I was so tired fighting alone. Yung kahit sabihin ko, lumals ka, hindi ka alis. Kasi kilala mo ako eh. Alam mo na nasabi ko lang yun. Kasi pagod ako, pero mahal kita.
Jo, mahal din naman kita eh. Mahal pa din naman kita, Jo.
Pero isang beses lang ako napabot. Iniwan nila ako. Hindi ako nagmamukli mo. How could you give up so easily? How did you not find the reason to stay? Hindi na ako papayag na ubusin mo ko ulit. Pagtiging ng mulan, pag-uwi ko, I want you back. I will just get touching mo kapag may kailangan ito sa'yo. Kapag nabenta na yung bahay.
Lipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
I don't know why I came here. I mean, what are we doing? We're sitting here and we're eating and we're talking, but no one's actually saying anything.
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to talk about?
Why didn't you call? Why didn't you call me? I mean, did they not deserve any more explanation than that letter? You couldn't have called me. You couldn't have given me some sort of chance to change your mind. Don't you think you owed me that?
I couldn't.
You couldn't? You thought that little of me that you couldn't have just called me. Why?
Because I couldn't.
Give me an answer. Why? Why not?
Because I couldn't.
I want an answer.
Because just hearing your voice, I would have changed my mind. That what you wanna hear, John? Is that what you came all this way to hear? You think it was thought out there, thinking it was easy for me without you. You thought that every single day it wasn't a marathon of my life without you. He was sick. He was sick. And he needed me. He needed me to help him. He needed me to help with Alan. With everything. I was alone and I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't plan this. I didn't know that it was gonna happen to me. But it did. You don't think I tried? I pick up the phone 1,000 times to try to call you. You think that it was easy for me standing here in front of you like this? I had no choice.
The girl in the dress cried the whole way home. I should have known. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket just so I could always be near. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear. But after all this time, I hope you wait.
Wait, hindi ka nagulat ah. Mukhang ina-expect mo na talaga ako.
Heck? In your dreams.
Maaga pa para managinip. Ito naman, narinig ko kasi mag-lunch break na kayo eh.
So?
Sabihin na tayo.
Why?
Bakit masarap at saka malinis? Hindi ko alam. Tanungin natin yung may-ari mamaya.
Why?
Para may kasabay ka.
Why?
Para hindi ka mag-isa.
Why?
Hindi ka dalawa. Ito naman. Lunch lang naman eh.
Because your answers don't make sense.
Gusto kita makasama. Okay na ba yung sagot kung gusto kita makasama?
Kung gusto mo ang isang tao, mahihirapan ka nang alisin siya sa isip at puso mo. So my suggestion to you is find a distraction. Find a better guy. And maybe somebody who's not kadire.
No. I'm not having lunch with you. Because you're kadire.
Anong kadiri? 3 beses pa lang yung
After all
natutang
this
no?
time, I hope you wait and say, love you every minute that we say goodbye. Ba't di ko naisip na merong hanggan? Ako yung nauna, pero siya ang wakas.
Sorry. Sorry, Josh. I'm sorry, napagod ako. I'm sorry, nasakit kita. Natatakot ako kasi hindi kita mahanap noon. Binigay ko lahat. Binigay ko sa'yo lahat. Naubos lang ako. I'm sorry. Nasaktan kita.
Sorry. Sorry kung wala akong panahon na kailangan mo. Sorry kung wala akong kailangan mo makakapit. Sorry kung hindi kita napunyan. Hindi man lang kita napunyan. Takot ako. Sobra. Pero gusto ko nandun ako eh. Gusto ko nandun ako nung nasasaktan ka. Pero wala. Siguro dahil alam ko na din na hindi talaga tayo para sa isa't isa.
Sinabi ko naman natin, di ba? Nilaban naman natin. Diba?
We tried. Gusto ko mag-thank you sa'yo sa lahat ng memories na binigay mo sa akin. Hindi man natin nagawa yung mga pangarap natin. Masaya na ako sa mga pinasamahan. Masaya ako. Okay. Gusto kong malaman mo na pinapatawad kita.
Kailangan ko. Take care of yourself. I need to.
Sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipilit pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya, wag kang paluhain at alagaan ka niya.
Oh, I just wanna take you anywhere that you like. We could go out any day, any night. Baby, I'll take you there, take you there. Baby, I'll take you there, yeah. Oh, tell me how to turn your love on. You can get anything that you want. Baby, just shout it out, baby, just shout it out, yeah. And if you want me to, let's make a move, yeah. So tell me, girl, if
since you heard the news. You're screaming inside and frozen in time. You did all that you could do. The game was rigged, the ref got tricked. The wrong ones think they're right. You were outnumbered this time. But only the young, only the young, only the young, only the young can run, can run. So run and run and run. So every day now you brace for the sound you've only heard on TV. You go to class scared, wondering where the best hiding spot would be. And the big bad man and his big bad clan, their hands are stained with red. Oh, how quickly they forget. They aren't gonna help us, too busy helping themselves. They aren't gonna change this, we gotta do it ourselves. They think that it's over, but it's just begun. Only one thing can save us.
Oh, I'm a take a two.
Magtigil ng ulan.
A few moments later.
Hey, George!
Oh my God!
Two hours later.
Summer went away, still the yearning stays. I play it cool with the best of them. I wait patiently, he's gonna notice me. It's okay, we're the best of friends. Anyway, I hear it in your voice, you're smoking with your boys. I touch my phone as if it's your face. I didn't choose this town, dream of getting out. There's just one who could make me stay. All my days, from sprinkler splashes to fireplace ashes, I waited ages to see you there. I searched the party of better bodies just to learn that you never cared. You're on your own, kid, you always have been. I see the great escape, so long Daisy May.